Google Drive lets you organize your Shared with Me files in several ways. I'll walk you through each method, starting with the most common. The first method is adding shortcuts to my drive. Go to drive.google.com and click Shared with Me on the left sidebar. Right-click the file or folder you want to organize, then click Organize and select Add Shortcut. Pick a destination folder in My Drive or create a new one, then click Add Shortcut to confirm. The file will stay in Shared with Me, but also appear as a shortcut in your My Drive location. Remember, a shortcut is just a link to the original file, not a full copy. If you can see it in both places, it worked. If that doesn't work for you, the next method is starring files for quick access. Click Shared with Me on the left menu, then select the files you want to organize. Hold down Control to select multiple files at once. Right-click and select Add to Starred. Now open the Starred section on the left sidebar to see all your starred files. You can also press S on your keyboard as a shortcut to star selected files. The starred view shows files from My Drive, Shared with Me, and any shared drives you have access to. If your files show up in starred, you're done. Another method is dragging files directly into My Drive. Click Shared with Me on the left menu, then click and drag the files you want to organize into My Drive or any subfolder in the left sidebar. Release your mouse to drop the file. Your Shared with Me file gets added to My Drive as a shortcut. If you're organizing a lot of files, you can open Shared with Me and My Drive in separate browser tabs, then drag files between them for easier management. If the file appears in My Drive, that's it working. If you're organizing large numbers of files, there's a keyboard shortcut method. Go to drive.google.com and click Shared with Me. Hold down Control and select the files you want to organize one by one. Press Shift+Z to open the Add to dialog. Select your destination folder in My Drive and confirm the action. Your files will appear in that My Drive location. One thing to note, this shortcut only works if the file owner has enabled the editor can change permissions and share setting. If the shortcut doesn't open the dialog, that setting isn't enabled. The last method is making your own copy when you want independent ownership. Go to drive.google.com and click Shared with Me. Right-click the file you want to copy and click Make a Copy. The copy appears in your My Drive at the root level with Copy of added to the file name. You can then move it to a specific folder if you want. This gives you a completely separate file that you own and control. Here's the key difference. Use shortcuts when you need to work with someone else, and both need access to the same file. Use Make a Copy when you're working alone and don't need collaborative access. You can't organize files directly in Shared with Me itself, so shortcuts in My Drive is the recommended approach. Thanks for watching.